So when you go to the grading rubric, you'll notice a few things. It looks very confusing at first look, but it's not too bad once you get used to it. At the very top bar, there's a spot called student name, and so I'll just go ahead and type my name in there. But when it comes time for you to do it, you want to put your name in that location. And if you hit tab on your menu, it will scroll over, it'll jump over to the fields that are in the grading rubric. And this is called the family project. So you're going to put in the family project. And to start off with, if you look right here, your score is pointed at 100%. And there's a total of 20 points possible for this. So the way that we do this is if you look down across the rows, so here's a row, and you can score a 0 to 4 in this category. And so what we have here is this. If you, in this row right here, it says that students are able to conduct numerical analysis required for the descriptive statistics of the data. And you can get a 4 if you get all the data is calculated correctly, all the statistics are calculated correctly, and they were accurate or contain minor errors. That's an advanced score. You'll be getting a 3 if you calculated most of the statistics correctly, or they contained minor errors. To get a basic score, you attempted to calculate the required statistics, but the calculations contain significant errors. And a 4 if you started to calculate the required statistics, but they were mostly incorrect. So once you look at these values to get a grade, let's say that you got a 3, that you were mostly correct. So you'd put a 3 over in the column here. And once you hit 3 and return, it changes your percentage to be what it would reflect for this project. In each of these, you go down across the rows and you grade your mark for each one. So in the second row, students are able to construct stem and leaf plots, box and whisker plots, and histograms from the data. And if you did all of those correctly with all the correct requirements, you would get a 4. Let's say in this case you got a 2, you left some of them out. So I'm going to just switch a 2, and you'll see that it adjusts your grade based on that value. So once you go through and have graded all of the values, then you'll be able to see what your final grade will be for the project. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can ask me in class or email me.